Hello, myself Nancy Sela from Srimati LP Savani Vidya Bhavan Narajan, Surat. Today we are going to learn chapter number 5 Introduction to Internet Class 4 Part 4. Yes, I am again back with Part 4. Chat programs. In last we learned about the services on the internet about email. Now the chat programs. Chat program let you communicate with other user internally through the text messages. Chat room. A chat room is a service in which multiple users talk to each other in a real time by posting messages usually on the topic of a common interest. Many websites offer the chat room facility. Some popular ones are ICQ.com, Teleforums.com, Paltalk.com, TeenChat.com, etc. Instant messaging. Instant messaging IM is a communication service over the internet that allows you to transmission of a text-based message from the sender to the receiver. It is likely a private chat room. It includes only those people whom the user is invited. User has invited. It creates a list of all your friends, and when a new message arrives from any one of them, an alert pops on your IM screen. A popular IM service include AOL Instant Messenger, AIM, Skype IM, Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, Google Talk, and WhatsApp. IM service may require you to download a program or require only a web browser. Next is while chatting can be fun or more informative, there is do's and don't are important. Do's. Use a nickname and not a real name. Check the terms and condition and privacy statement of the chat site before you begin chatting. Use decent languages while talking. Don'ts. Do not reveal any personal information in the chat room. Do not agree to meet someone you have talked only in the chat room. Next are e-sites. E-sites are electronic sites, are the online version of the traditional agency shops, office, etc. These sites allows you to conduct many transactions from our home, for which earlier we would have a travel to a shop or a office. E-governance. E-governance refers to the use of modern information and communication technologies such as the internet, local area networking, and mobile telephony by the central government, state government, and the local administrative bodies to improve the effectiveness, efficiency, service delivery, and the transparency of the government. Next is e-governance, greater attention to improving service delivery, facilities wide access to the information. Next is improve administrative efficiency and effectiveness. Next, allows direct interaction with the citizen. Next is e-learning. E-learning, the internet is a great tool for education. It allows people to learn about the variety of things at their own pace. Internet offer distance education course are also offered through the internet. Many institutes offer online coaching classes for engineering, medical, and management entrance exam. Advantages of e-learning allows learning at your own pace. Pace means place, providing access to the learning material at any time and from any place. Engage the students through the multimedia and makes the use of all three styles of learning: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Using the internet, one can learn a topic, take the test, and get the result from the comfort from one's home. For example, www.microsoft.com learning is such a site. A few other websites are such as www.bbc.co.uk schools and e-learning for kinds of .org offer free online education, especially for the younger students. Next is e-banking. E-banking provides 24-hour service around the year, reduce the cost of transactions, save times, reduce paperwork, and provide a global network coverage of the banking service. But at the same time, security is the major issue with e-banking transaction. The infrastructure costs are also very high. E-commerce. E-commerce website refers to the exchange of goods service usually for money. We can say that the commerce refers to buying and selling products. Thus, the e-commerce is a simply extension of the concept. Electronic commerce means online buying and selling of any product. In the recent years, e-commerce has grown exponentially in Next is advantage of e-commerce. There are some advantage and disadvantage of e-commerce. E-commerce, there are buying and selling we can do at 24/7. It is easier to start a business at low cost at relatively low. It offers better service to the customers because distance is no hindrance. Customers can select the product easily and they have better choice from the products different providers. The process of buying and selling is relatively fast. E-commerce is an attractive business for because it can reduce the cost consumer and drawn e-commerce for the convenience of a shopping from the home. Next is video conferencing or radio teleconferencing VTC represent the real life meeting environment through the computer and information technology. With the help of VTC facilities, you can see other people while talking them. This facility callers located at the different location who are participant in a video conferencing meeting or simultaneously. Advantages of VTC. Teachers and students may conduct online class through video conferencing. The teacher may be sitting in the Mumbai and students in the anywhere in the world. Such a classroom is called virtual classroom. Right now we all are studying in virtual classroom. An employer is in one city and interviews job seeker is in another city, they can also take the advantage of video teleconferencing. A doctor can discuss and case across the large distance during emergency. A website that provides a virtual community for the people to keep in touch with the friends or share common interests is called social networking sites. 6degree was the first social networking site. It existed in 1997 to 2001. Today, the most popular social networkings are Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter. Let us learn about the Facebook. Facebook is a popularly social networking service. It is founded by the Mark Zuckerberg, who has invented in a Harvard University, USA in 2004. Many companies have set up their own Facebook pages. It helps them to connect and communicate with the clients and customers, especially the young people. Facebook is one of the most popular website for uploading photos. MySpace. MySpace was started by the Tom Anderson in July 2003. Between 2005 and 2008, the most popular social networking site was MySpace. MySpace lets you create your own personal profile that you share with your family, friends. It has also strong focus on music sharing with the instant messaging and video playing features. Next is Twitter. Twitter was created by Jack Dorsey in March 2006. It is a social networking service that enables you to communicate sending short text messages up to 140 characters long to the friends and followers. These messages are called tweets. Twitter messages are called tweets. Thank you.